Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing Google Cloud Platform and a very important platform as a service that is called Google App Engine. So just like in other cloud platforms like Azure, it provides app service, that is again platform as a service to deploy various web applications. Similarly, in AWS also we have platform as a service. So Google App Engine, again, it's a very simple way to host and deploy web applications that are being created in different language. And right now Google App Engine supports all the different types of languages, whether it is PHP, Java, .NET, Node. So it supports all the different languages, and it provides platform as a service in which you can host your code, you can put all your code in the repository, and from the repository it is connected with the your Google App Engine. So it provides a serverless architecture in which your web application can be scaled up and scaled down based upon the traffic, based upon the requirement, zero maintenance, and you just need to select the language in which you are going to deploy our application. And if we talk about the architecture, again, we have a load balancer that makes sure that your app engine is available, data is consistent. So all the traffic management is done by load balancer. And then this app engine may be connected with different cloud storage. So if it is a cloud storage SQL, so the your app engine, whatever language you are using, whether it is Node, Python, R, so you just need to deploy your code there, and after that managing all the different types of resources, whether it is your server management, whether it is your load balancing, all those things, queue management, it is all taken care by the Google App Engine. You just need to download the SDK if you want to deploy from your machine. If you want to do it directly from the Google console, it provides you the connection through which you can directly connect using the terminal provided by GCP. And then you have all the options where you can edit the code using the inbuilt editor of GCP Google App Engine. You can also deploy the code using gcloud app deploy, and you just need to remember this command. You just need to understand your web application, because again, all the internal port setting, port mapping, then providing the connection string with your database, those things you need to take care by yourself. Once those are taken care, the final part is you need to deploy your application using gcloud app deploy, and it will make sure that your application is deployed properly, because again, it's a platform as a service. So important thing is you need to mention which platform you are using in your app.yaml file, and based upon that it will make sure that the code is built and deployed on the server. Once the code is built, how many instances it is going to use, when to scale up, when to scale down, those all things are taken care by Google App Engine. That is what it is, serverless. And once your app is being uploaded on the server, you will be getting a URL through which you can access your web application. So it's a very important and simple tool. The deployment is made very simple so that you can deploy any type of application with ease. So this is all about Google App Engine, a very important platform as a service that is provided by GCP. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.